In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to GoHighLevel calendars. To get started, open the specific GoHighLevel subaccount where you want Zoom meetings to be created. Make sure you're in the correct location if you manage more than one, and that you have permission to adjust calendar settings. Once you're in the right place, head to the left-hand menu and click Calendars. This is your scheduling hub and the place where meeting links can be automated for your bookings. Inside Calendars, look for Calendar Settings. This area controls how your appointment types behave, and it's where all of your external connections are managed. When Calendar Settings opens, switch to the Connections section. Think of connections as the bridge between GoHighLevel and tools like Zoom. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to load, or expand your browser window so all tabs are visible. Next, click Add New to start a fresh integration. A list of available providers will appear. Locate Zoom in the list. You can scroll to find it, and in some layouts, there may be a search bar to help you jump right to it. Once you've found Zoom, click Connect. This will open a secure Zoom authorization window in a new tab or pop-up. Now, log into your Zoom account if you aren't already signed in. Use the account that should own the meeting links for your bookings. After logging in, Zoom will show you what permissions GoHighLevel is requesting so it can automatically create meeting links for your appointments. Review the details and proceed to authorize. If your organization requires admin approval for apps, you may see a notice. Reach out to your Zoom admin to enable the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts until Zoom confirms the connection and you're redirected back to GoHighLevel. You should now see Zoom listed among your active connections, typically showing a status that indicates it's connected. From here, when you use your GoHighLevel calendars, Zoom meeting links can be generated automatically based on your calendar configuration. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Enable pop-ups for your browser if the Zoom window doesn't appear. Double-check that your GoHighLevel and Zoom time zones match to avoid scheduling confusion, and make sure you're using the intended Zoom login so links are created under the correct account. That's it. You opened your sub-account, went to Calendars, entered Calendar Settings, opened Connections, added a new connection, selected Zoom, connected it, signed in, and completed the on-screen authorization. You're now ready to streamline scheduling with automatic Zoom links inside GoHighLevel.